Ever wondered how to create unforgettable events that stand out? Events that leave a lasting impression on every attendee and make them talk about it for days, weeks, or even months? Today I'm diving into 3 free courses that'll teach you the essentials of event planning, marketing, and social media management. These courses are designed to elevate your events to the next level, ensuring they are not only memorable, but also highly successful. Imagine having the skills to market your event effectively, manage every detail seamlessly, and use social media to boost your event's visibility and attendance. Welcome back to a new free courses tutorial in our channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and let's unlock some incredible learning opportunities together. First up, we have the Event Planning and Management course. This course is a comprehensive guide that covers everything you need to know, from budgeting to execution. You'll learn how to create a detailed event planning checklist, manage your budget effectively, and ensure that every aspect of your event is well coordinated. You'll get insight into event logistics, timelines, and client management. This course will teach you how to create a timeline that ensures everything runs smoothly, from the initial planning stages to the final execution. Imagine mastering the art of setting up an event, ensuring every detail is perfect. From arranging decorations to setting up the stage, you'll learn how to create an atmosphere that wows your attendees. Intrigued? Check it out at our article link in the video description. Next, let's explore the Expert Event Planning, Marketing and Management Skills course. This course is all about advanced strategies to attract clients and ensure your event's success. You'll learn how to use advanced project management tools and techniques to streamline your planning process. Think of it as your secret weapon for mastering marketing campaigns and project management tools. You'll be able to create effective marketing strategies that attract the right audience and ensure your event is a hit. Plus, you'll hear real testimonials from successful event planners. These insights will give you a real-world perspective on what it takes to plan and execute a successful event. Make sure you don't miss this course. Finally, we have the Event Marketing and Social Media course. This course will show you how to leverage social media platforms to market your events and boost attendance. You'll learn how to create engaging social media posts, understand analytics, and use these tools to increase your event's visibility. Picture creating engaging social media posts, understanding analytics, and seeing your attendance numbers skyrocket. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing a sold-out event and hearing the cheers of a happy crowd. So if you're ready to gain the skills needed to master event planning, enroll in these free courses today. To access all these free courses, visit our article. The link is in the video description. Don't wait any longer. Take the first step towards becoming an expert event planner by enrolling in these courses now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more educational content, and share it with anyone interested in event planning. Thanks for watching and happy planning.